In the ever-evolving landscape of automotive technology, a seismic shift is underway with electric vehicles, EVs, poised to revolutionize not just civilian transportation, but also military operations. It all began with President Biden's executive order, a mandate to electrify non-combat vehicles within the military by 2027. But what does this mean for the U.S. military? Picture this: military bases bustling with activity, now accompanied by the silent hum of Ford F-150 Lightnings navigating the vast expanse of Fort Moore. With emissions reduced and costs saved, the transition to electric vehicles is more than just a green initiative. It's a strategic leap forward. But why electric? Beyond environmental benefits, EVs offer logistical advantages, eliminating the need for extensive fuel supply lines, thus reducing vulnerability in hostile territories. And the innovations don't stop there. Enter GM Defense's eISV, a groundbreaking hybrid of military capability and electric power. With over 90% commercial off-the-shelf parts, this agile vehicle sets a precedent for electric integration on the battlefield. Lightweight yet robust, it's primed for deployment via airlifters, promising mobility in even the most challenging environments. But amidst the buzz of progress, questions linger. Will hybrid technology pave the way for a fully electric military fleet? With advantages like regenerative braking and reduced fuel dependency, the potential is undeniable. As the military marches towards a greener future, the verdict is clear: electrification isn't just a trend, it's a strategic imperative. And with each silent revolution, the path to a more sustainable, resilient military grows ever brighter.